What's up, guys? Elias is here in this special comeback kind of episode. You guys remember where like 1 month ago where I decided to just stop trading? My reasons were it was not because I don't like it or I don't love it, and as I explained in the previous video, my reasons were that you know how I started this portfolio with $700, and then I brought it all the way up to $8,000 in 2 months. 2 months of actively researching, actively trading, doing too many trades. Yes, I say too many trades because with experience, you know that you're better doing a few trades a week or maybe a month better than doing dozens of them a day. Um, so yes, I came to a bunch of conclusions like this as I was sharing with you. I had 25 coins and I realized that was just too many. It was just too much, and I decided to take a break for 1 month. So this is the episode where I come back actually after 1 month and tell you what I learned in this month. So first things first, let's have a look at the growth as we always do. So overall growth, we had a growth of $10,000 in 3 months right now. Oh boy, that's amazing. 1,200%. In the last 3 months, 420%, which is equivalent to 8,000, approximately $9,000. In the last month, where I did nothing, the portfolio gained $3,000. In the past week, 1,800, and since yesterday, the value of the portfolio went up by $300, which is equivalent to nearly 3%. So quick math, I daily traded for 2 months and I made 8,000. I stopped trading for 1 month and I made 3,000. So it's basically daily traded for 1 month is equal to 4,000. Let the portfolio grow organically for 1 month is equal to 3,000. So the question I'm asking myself right now is, it's either I am a bad trader or I was, which I mean, obviously I'm not the best, or I was over trading, or my picks were not good, or actually I should just like pick some good coins and then forget about it and then start treating crypto as a long-term investment, um, as opposite of treating it as a daily trading vehicle. So those actually are the questions that are in my mind right now. Remember, at some point I had 25 coins, and I had to, in the previous episode, I showed you which coins I liquidated, which coins I got rid of, and I put all the money in other coins, and I ended up having like 12, 13. Now I'm thinking about even taking that number even lower and only holding 6 coins, not more. Why? Because it's easier to do research. And imagine if you had to do one trade per month. If you're limited to one trade per month, imagine how much research you would put into that trade, how much thought you put into that trade, and how much you'd be careful. Instead of just treating, like, if you have 100 coins and every one of them is worth $20, you'd just think, yeah, I don't care. Like, look at Doge, man. Like, I don't know why even I bought Doge at some point, but if I sell 10,000, I sold 3,000 Doge and I gained $4. Like, it's not even worth it. So I guess where I will be going from now is less trading, more research, more thinking. I think I am going to try to limit myself to one trade every 2 weeks and see how it goes. I mean, what the heck? If by not trading I gained 3,000 and by trading I gained 4,000, I think I'm better off not trading. Especially when I remember those times where I was like hooked to my alerts and Coinbase alerts, and then wake up at 3 a.m. because China is doing something, and then read stuff and then do this and do that. I think this is not a financial advice by any means. Like always, I just share with you my thoughts, my trades, and my research, and why I buy and why I sell. But basically, I think I am better off, and I think everyone is better off unless you have an edge. That's the thing. Like, unless you have, an information, a piece of information that someone else don't. You know that, I don't know, you're out in a bar with Charlie and he says, buddy, Litecoin will do this thing tomorrow, and you go home and then you buy a bunch of it and you sell a bunch, or you sell a bunch of it according to what he's. Unless you have this advantage, unless you're losing your time, and you're not gonna. This is based on my experience, of course. You're not gonna gain that much, because remember, right now when you're trading, it's you against a machine. It's against a group of people who are more powerful, who have more money, who are more coordinates, and who knows the market a lot better than you. They can play with the price. Like, those are my conclusions. If it's me against the market, it's me against hedge funds, it's me against, not banks for now, but let's say whales. It's me against a group of people, sorry, who got the tools and more information than I have. So I think my strategy, especially for this portfolio, is gonna shift radically, and I'm going to limit myself to one trade, or like one day of trading per 2 weeks, nothing more. The rest of the time is gonna be research, reading, and patience. Patience is a virtue. You know what Warren Buffett says? Markets are just the tools to transmit money from the impatient to the patient, and that's basically how I started to see this market. Some coins that I dearly believe in and personally love, like IOTA, maybe I will continue buying, but just buying like every you know, once, and then just buy $50 worth of it every week, or $100 worth of it every 2 weeks. I don't care. I don't put IOTA in other categories, because this is, for me, this is the future. But other than that, I think that if you don't have an edge, if you don't have, it could be an information edge, it could be a behavior edge, it could be, I don't know, like you have an edge on the market, on the masses. I think you better not trade, not daily trade. That's my conclusion for now. Correct me please if I'm wrong. I will put, as always, my Twitter tag, my Facebook. You guys can connect with me however you want. And yeah, look at this, $11,000. Amazing. All right, that's it for now, guys. Till the next video. Peace out.